Energy input into manufacturing processes is a big cost and a growing concern, not just because of its expense, but also because of its environmental impact. But in many cases, there is no data to help connect the dots between energy costs and productivity. In fact, often the only data available is the monthly bill from the electric utility. So you know what you spend, but you can't identify how much energy consumed is actually productive or even exactly where it goes. The Wzzard Energy Monitoring Starter Kit makes it easy to install a proof of concept in your facility, providing the data you need to start down the path of saving energy and cost. Installation only takes 3 easy steps. First, plug in your gateway and connect it to your network. Second, install the batteries in your Wzzard wireless sensing node. Finally, attach the supplied sensors to the power leads of your panel or your machine using the cable supplied with the kit. That's it. You're now collecting data and can access it from any web browser. You can even configure the dashboard to send email and text message alerts and log data. But most importantly, by monitoring the current consumption of your equipment, you can establish baselines, identify waste, and then measure the impact of your process improvements. And once you prove your business case on one machine, it's easy to expand to the rest of your operations simply by adding more wireless sensing nodes. You can even add different sensor types to gain even more insight into your operations.